guys, welcome back to my channel. 2 months in, we're here. We're cutting our hair. I ordered some hair cutting shears probably 3 weeks ago. I reached my breaking point a lot sooner, but I was not going to let myself do it with office or kitchen scissors. I was originally planning on vlogging this week, but I think for a lot of people that make YouTube and watch YouTubers and knew Corey LeBerry. This has been a really weird week. He passed away on Sunday on his 25th birthday. I can't even imagine what his family and his closest friends feel like. It's a really weird thing to wrap your mind around. He was such a great person. He always made everyone feel welcome, and I can't think of a single person who didn't like that kid. I think he's gonna stay in a lot of people's hearts forever because he just made everyone feel really, really special. And I think the way people feel when they're around you says a lot about you. And there wasn't like a single bad bone in his body. If anyone watching this personally knew him or enjoyed watching his videos, I hope you hold on to those memories and laughs with you and carry them because he deserves it. 25 is just way too young. It's about 2:30 p.m. right now, but you know what? It's 5 o'clock somewhere, so I've got some sparkling rosé in hand. This is where my hair is at right now. I have not had a trim in at least 6 months or something. I, of course, made myself a little Pinterest board of different inspiration. I like how it's a little blunt, but it's still kind of feathered out and not perfect. I think overall, this photo is my favorite in terms of like face framing bangs. Length is great. I also love these bangs. I really want to do something up here. And then also I have this photo too. This is actually really exciting for me because I used to love making hair videos on YouTube. From middle school to the age of 20, I would cut my own hair. I'm running a straightener through my hair just so that I can properly see how everything is going to fall if I ever decide to wear my hair super straight. These front pieces we are going to chop. I'm so scared. Cheers. I'm gonna go all the way down to the back of my head. Oh, a lot of knots. Let's do that again. Clip this side away. We're gonna split both halves. The reason I'm doing this is because I feel like if you split your hair in half and then just cut it in front of your shoulders, it'll create weird layering in the back because you're like pulling this hair down, so it's cutting at a different angle. I'm gonna link which video I watched do this method. Add a little rubber pony. I'm gonna cut all of this off. So we're gonna leave that. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Nope, need to do that again. Of course, I'm taking like the most challenging approach. Pulling it down straight is the hard part when you're doing it on your back. And now we're pulling with our non-dominant hand. That feels good, right? One more section to go. I'm gonna cut either upwards or downwards, depending on how I'm holding it. Oh no, Peach, wrong time. Not the right time. Not the right time at all. I'm sorry, I love you. So I'm not cutting right up to the rubber band. That looks pretty good to me. And we're going. Oh my God. Oh. So much hair, so much hair, so much hair. Just have to do it, I just have to do it. And we're going, we're going, we're going. That feels pretty good to me. Let's see what just happened. Pretty cute. Ooh, that feels a little long. Okay, yeah, sure. Ouch. Do we add layers? There's so much hair in my shirt. Oh my God, it's so itchy. This is the worst time to be wearing a bodysuit right now. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Front pieces. We're gonna part the hair almost in like a triangle. I'm gonna start small because I can always cut more. So there's our little triangle there. That feels pretty good, right? I think I saw someone take it across like this, and then when you cut it straight, okay, that makes sense. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna cut off that much and see what that does. Here we go. This always feels so insane to me. Let's release it. Okay, you see how it's shorter and it goes like a little longer. So that was the goal. I think I'm also gonna freehand it and just cut a little more. Let's do the same thing here. That is so embarrassing. How did I think that those would be the same length? Yeah, I should add more. I'm gonna do a bigger triangle. That's the new chunk. All right, looks great to me. Let's pin that. I have no clue what I'm going to do now. I might just like freestyle this, honestly, and just do like this little motion. Let's catch this side up to speed. I'm gonna go super close in. Cute. I like this length. I need to stop. This is getting too crazy. I'm kind of into this. I think I'm gonna give my hair a little bit of curl and like figure out these bangs and come back to you guys. I'm obsessed. Why did this come out so good? Okay, this is like exactly what I was trying to do, and I did it. It's not the most perfect haircut in the world, but I really have that like soft, blunt sort of chop that I was talking about, where it's not perfect, but it's definitely at one length, and love the length of the front pieces, very pleased. And here we are. So that's great. I want to keep cutting my hair now. Suddenly I want to cut it here and I want to have front bangs. So that's where we're at. Oh my God, I have an idea. I have a few clip-in hair extensions that I don't really use anymore. And I kind of, for the sake of my own curiosity, want to see what I would look like with front bangs. We're doing it. In a week, this is going to be my own hair. I'm going to go ahead and just cut it across and then shape it from there. Oh my God. Let's start trimming. I'm making some deep cuts so that it kind of thins it out. I think when I curl it too, like I have to remember that it's gonna be shorter when I curl it. So I'm actually kind of like, I'm into that, right? That is not falling correctly. Yeah, I want it to like poof forward. Give it some texture. Wait a second. Why does this kind of look good? How do I cover up this part right here? Let's just throw a little headband, cover that up. Let's see how many people I can fool in the thumbnail. Hopefully all of you. That's kind of cute too. Doing that, that's kind of cute. Oh my God. Didn't think I would like it this much. Here we are. And now suddenly I feel like I have to actually cut my own hair. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I will have my Twitter and Instagram linked down below if you would like to follow those. And yeah, maybe next time we cut some bangs. I don't know. All right, see you later. Bye.